we will solve a numerical problem on finding the internal resistance of a cell. This is the problem. A battery supplies 0.9 ampere current through a 2 ohm resistor and 0.3 ampere current through a 7 ohm resistor when connected one by one. What is the internal resistance of the battery? This means that first we connect 2 ohm resistor across the battery and we measure the current in the circuit. The current is 0.9 ampere. Then we remove the 2 ohm resistor and we connect a 7 ohm resistor to the battery and we measure the current. The current is 0.3 ampere. We have to find the internal resistance of the battery. This problem came in a previous year examination paper of CBSE class 12th physics. So how do we solve? We will use this formula. Here E is the EMF of the battery, I is the current, capital R is load resistance and small r is internal resistance. We have to find the value of small r. The question says that the current is 0.9 ampere when load resistance is 2 ohm. So we substitute the values in the formula and we get an equation. Let us call this equation 1. The question also says that the current is 0.3 ampere when the load resistance is 7 ohm. We substitute these values in the formula and get an equation. We call this equation 2. In equations 1 and 2, the left hand sides are equal because they are both equal to EMF of the battery. So the right hand sides also will be equal. This is how we get an equation. 0.9 multiplied by sum of 2 and r equals 0.3 multiplied by sum of 7 and r, where r is internal resistance of the battery. See on the right hand side, the equation is solved. Follow the steps. You will find that small r, that is the internal resistance of the battery, is 0.5 ohm.